Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you find this page of app and for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after all these steps, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.